Stay tuned for this mouth-watering lentil patties. This is you Jamaican girl. Welcome to my kitchen. To start, family and friends, I will first cook my lentil. In 3 cups of water, I've added a blend of herbs and spices, and then I add to that my washed lentils. I cover to cook until my lentils has come to a boil and they have all floated to the top. Next, I added a cup of water. I've added a blend of garlic, bell pepper and onions and cover to cook for an additional 20 minutes. Let me welcome my new subscribers to my channel. Thank you so much. Remember to like, to share, to subscribe, leave your comment in the comment section and turn on your post notification. After 20 minutes of cooking, this is what your lentils should look like. The water has all reduced, guys, and it's now time to blend it. I allow my lentils to cool down, family and friends, and then I add it to the blender with some Roma tomatoes and blend well. Let me thank my loyal viewers and subscribers who have made it week after week. Remember to hit the like button and of course comment in the comment section. Now my whimsical family, this is what it looks like. I poured oil in a large bowl, guys, and then to a smaller bowl I've added 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and then I add half of the blended lentils. Now family and friends, I have cooked 1 pound of lentil, and you know this will increase in size. So next, guys, I season it up nice and good. After that, some coconut milk. I've added to that some breadcrumbs, and I've added half cup of flour and mixed well. Next, whimsical family, I've added an egg white, and then I add the next half of the flour. Mix, guys, until it looks like this. When it's hard to drop from the spoon, guys, you know that it is all ready. For my whimsical family, it's time to form the patties. To a foil-lined pan, I've added some non-stick spray. To some breadcrumbs, I've added a spoonful of lentil mix, guys. Roll it to make a ball, then flatten it to the desired size patty that I want. Now, whimsical family, this will make about 8 to 10 patties. It depends on the size of the patty that you desire. I then place it in the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes and fry until golden brown. My dollop of spiritual encouragement comes to us from James 1 verses 2 to 4. I want you to rejoice, family and friends, when you are going through your trials. I don't know what your trials are, but remember, it is through your trials that your character is developed and you learn how to be patient. All right, my whimsical family, my patties are all done and they look amazingly delicious. It's time to make a white sauce to go with the patties. Next, whimsical family, in a saucepan, in a tablespoon of butter, I've added some finely chopped onion and garlic. I've added to that 3/4 cups of coconut milk and half cup of vegetable broth. I season this up, guys, with some paprika. I've added to that some garlic salt and some slap your mama. I then added a teaspoon of cornstarch and a tablespoon of honey. Next, I stir this in well and allow it to cook on low heat for about 3 minutes.
Oh my God.
Family and friends, this is the time when it all comes together. I pour on my sauce over my patties, stick them back in the air fryer for about 2 minutes, and just look at all of this goodness. It's once again another of my mother's favorite. From my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. It was my absolute pleasure doing this for you. Remember to like, to share, to subscribe, and I'll see you next week.